these new Joker's cards are like a rejuvenation of ICP's entire career, and to make a song that's just dedicated to ninja kicking just seems like, you know, if Violent J's sitting there trying to rack his brain, what else could we possibly rap about? You know, they just made a really timeless classic, in my opinion. This song, you listen to it, it encapsulates Juggaloism and ICP, like, from day one, in my opinion. The only thing you could possibly rag on the song for is because it's a little bit slower, and most of the slow songs that ICP has put out have appeared on sideshows, like Truth Dare, The Perfect Night, Crop Circles, even songs like, you know, Wicked Wild, slower beats, you know what I mean, with Esham and Fresh Kid Ice and Fish and Grits. Just like slower songs from Bizarre Bizarre, like Radio Stars. When ICP is actually clowning on the mainstream music while they're dropping their own original flavor. So the actual song, Radio Stars, is a slow song, you know, mocking some other genre, but when they're not mocking another genre and they're like, oh, shit, I told you I don't know how to sing or play guitar, they're rapping over that slow, funky beat that Mikey Clark laid down. And that's what I hear Kickin' Kickin' is. It's that slow, funky beat, and they just kind of flow over it.
Oh, yeah.
Those Bizarre CDs, man, those were bad as fuck. When you go back and listen to them, when you haven't listened to them like a year or two, it's like they're fucking amazing. It's like listening to for the first time all over again.
Yeah, the first time I listened to Fearless, I was crying, dude, because I was laughing my ass off so hard for all the stupid shit that they were saying in that song.
Right?
Like Shaggy, I'll punch a gorilla in the face and try to run away with a banana hanging out my ass.
Like